Hey guys, Thirsting a Bee here. As this is my first drawing video, we're gonna draw something very special. So, who is ready to? Wait, what's the sound? Aha! I recognise that face. It's Sleepy Bird. Say hello, Sleepy Bird. Good idea. You've just given me a great idea for the picture. Stay. So basically, what we're gonna draw today is Sleepy Bird and Pocoyo hugging each other. What you'll need are these coloured felt tip pens. You'll also need a black felt tip pen, and just in case to do the outlines. What do? Well, so you start with a circle. It doesn't have to be a wide one, just a circle. Then you've got to do a strange, quite strange looking shape. That's going to be Pocoyo's hat. And here's Pocoyo's body with the zip. It's got to have a hole in it. Okay? Yep. And then we're gonna draw Sleepy Bird. That's you, right? Right. So basically, he's not gonna be sleeping. Draw another circle, only a bit smaller. Draw wings, because everybody needs wings. So he's not going to be sleeping, so instead of smile-like eyes, we're going to do frown-like eyes. So frown-like eyes means happy. And smile-like eyes are like, well, sleeping. Well, that's not the beak, that's the beak. These are the wings. And then we're going to draw the arms now that Sleepy Bird is here. And another arm. And now we're going to draw the legs. 1, 2. Now we're going to draw Pocoyo's face. Again, using the same method for the eyes. Make him look like he's happy. But with an open mouth. Okay? So that's the outline drawn. Now there's the most important thing. Colour it in. We need light blue. Light blue's good. Yep. We can use it to colour in Sleepy Bird, not the beak, just Sleepy Bird. Pocoyo and the Pocoyo's clothes. I always get a hug from my mum, or my dad, or any of my parents. Do they look like they have a hug for the first time? Like they've become best buddies? That's a bit... that's a bit strange. All we have is blue. We can also use this to draw our lines, though. Need to concentrate on the lines there. And ta-da! That's the blue bit done. Just got to put the lid back on. There we go. We can use this orange to colour in Sleepy Bird's beak. Also, we can use this yellow for Pocoyo's zip. Finally, also, we can use red to colour in Pocoyo's mouth. Well, guess what? Think we're done, I guess, but not yet. We've got to remind yourself who they are. So you draw an arrow and write their names. Draw an arrow on Sleepy Bird and write Sleepy Bird by the arrow. Do the same with Pocoyo, or just point the arrow at him and write Pocoyo. And that's it. We're finished. What do you think, Sleepy Bird? He likes it, but he needs a little blonde on Pocoyo's skin. Oh well. Well guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and comment. Try not to dislike. I don't really like dislikes. I've recently had 4 subscribers on my channel, but I need more than that. Thanks. Say bye, Sleepy Bird. Bye bye.